So I'm at the Chitkara University for the very first time. It's an amazing facility out here. Lovely to be here for the US Cranberry, show what is going on, the event which is going on along with the colleague chefs, and it's basically imparting information about cranberry, and we are using cranberry in a very different way in our different recipes. So that was the reason I was here, and I was surprised the kind of facility they have. It is really humongous, and one of the unique aspect to it is all green around, and of course they have a 3-year BSc course out here, and plus the facility is wonderful. I think this is a lovely experience to be in Chitkara.